Hey all, this is Shilpa from Food Canopy. In this video I would be talking about Mildi Multipot 2. For the viewers back in India, we have Mildi Multipot 1. There is hardly any difference between the two. I guess it is just a single feature difference, and you have a slight variation in the outer look of the pot. You have a lighter control panel in Mildi Multipot 1, and you have a darker shade here. The concept of pressure cooking is not new to India. We have been using the stovetop pressure cookers forever, but it was quite important for me to introduce the concept of one pot electrical pressure cooker, which is quite new to India. I would like to tell my viewers that this is not a sponsored video. I have purchased my own Mildi Multipot, and I will be trying out lot of interesting recipes with the pot, and that is the reason I wanted you to know more about the pot, which will help you to follow my recipes well. This is a one pot electrical pressure cooker. You have lots of electrical pressure cookers available in market, also in India. But the closest one to compare with would be the Instant Pot with the Mildi Multipot. I have been using Instant Pot for around 3 years, and it is equally efficient, but I would not recommend it for the viewers in India because it is quite expensive. It is available at 3 times price when you compare it with US, but Mildi is equally efficient, and they have come up with this multi-pot which is at the equal price when you compare it with US. So this is the best option available right now in India. The second thing I would like you to know is there are a lot of accessories available with the Mildi Multipot, which is not available with the Instant Pot. I had to purchase my own Instant Pot accessories, so that is an added advantage with the Mildi Multipot. You can have a look at the accessories over here. This is a steamer basket. You get a trivet which is 4 centimeters in height. You get a measuring cup of capacity 250 ml. You get these serving spoons, that is a rice paddle and a spoon soup ladle. You get silicone mitts, and you get an extra silicone gasket. That is a critical factor again. You have a transparent silicone gasket inside the lid of the pot. You can use this transparent gasket for your savory dishes like rice, curries, etc. And when you want to make the sweet dishes like halwa, say pudding, cake, you can replace it with this red silicone gasket. So you can have 2 separate gaskets for savory as well as the sweet dishes. Let's have a look at the pot. You have a lid, base. So the lid has the open and close alignments, so it guides you to actually fix it to the base. And then you have this steam vent and the float valve over here. We will be talking about it in some time. When you open this lid, you have this stainless steel inner pot over here. This is the base of the pot. You have a control panel, and the pot is programmed with certain preset settings over. You can see this. The main heating unit of the pot is here inside the base. You got to be careful with this. You cannot really pour any kind of liquid or food inside the base. The cooking is to be done inside the stainless steel inner pot. Let's have a look at the control panel. What did I say that? control panel is programmed with various preset functions. You can see it on the right side is pressure cook, slow cook, saute, steam, eggs, cake, yogurt. According to me, these are most frequently used functions. And on the left you can see poultry, meat stew, beans chili, soup broth, rice, multigrain porridge. These preset functions you can use it occasionally. At the center you have the pressure level mode. You can adjust the pressure from low, medium to high. Then you have pressure release mode. Now this is one feature which is not available in Mildi Multiport 1. In Mildi Multiport 1 you need to release the pressure manually, and you can in Mildi Multiport 2 you can just do it by pressing this button. The delay start feature delays your cook operation by the specified amount of time. This feature could be used by you during your regular day to get hot dinner at night. So you have this cancel and keep warm mode here to cancel the operation. So let's go ahead and have one more look at the most commonly used preset options here. The saute mode is for the basic cooking of sauteing of onions, tomatoes, the basic gravies. You can saute it with this button here. And then you have this pressure cook mode here. Pressure cook would be for the main pressure cooking in the pot. The slow cook mode is a new concept in India. We can have a detailed look to slow cook mode in various recipes in the coming weeks. One more useful mode I would say is the yogurt one. You can make good yogurt dahi inside the pot. You can also use the yogurt mode for fermenting the dosa and idli batter. I would be uploading certain recipes soon. There are various booklets available with the Multiport. You have a Multiport recipe book. You can have a look at this. Now the one which I have is per US standards. For the viewers back in India, you will have the Indian recipes. You can try those in your Multiport. Then you have a thank you card. You have a water test information. Going through the water test is important for the beginners. It will give you the idea of the basic features of the Multiport. Then you have a user guide. Going through the user guide thoroughly is important before you start using your Multiport. You have a cheat sheet that will give you a basic idea of the preset functions of the Multiport. Then you have various pressure cooking timing information for various kinds of food and the pressure level and the cook time and stuff like that. This is specifically important for the viewers back in India to know the difference between the Mildi Multiport 1, which is available in India, and the Mildi Multiport 2. The feature difference would be with the steam vent. I am using my Instant Pot lid to explain this. So this has to be done manually in India when you have to release the pressure. In Mildi Multiport 2, the pressure is released with the pressure release button. Thank you for watching the video, and please subscribe to our channel if you would like to follow lot of interesting recipes which I would be trying out in the Multiport soon. Thank you.